In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Jasper AI subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few helpful tips to make the process smooth and stress-free. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Jasper app at appjasper.ai, then sign into your account. Once you're on the home dashboard, look toward the top left corner for your profile avatar. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Workspace Settings. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the correct one before moving on, since cancellations apply to the current workspace. Inside Workspace Settings, find and select the Plans section. This is where Jasper lists your current subscription details and any available plan options. Take a quick moment to review what you're on and when your next billing date is, so you know how the timing of your cancellation will affect access. On the Plans page, scroll down until you see the area labeled Need to Cancel Your Account. This section can sit below the plan comparisons and billing summary, so keep scrolling until you spot it. The wording helps confirm you're in the right place to proceed. Click Cancel Account. At this point, you may see Jasper present alternatives such as downgrading or pausing. These are normal offers designed to help if you're not ready to fully cancel. If you're certain you want to end your subscription, continue with the cancel option on that screen. Next, you'll be asked, "Can you tell us why you're leaving?" Choose the reason that best matches your situation and add any brief comments if prompted. Providing feedback helps the team improve the product, and selecting a reason is typically required to move forward. After you submit your reason, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your cancellation is in progress or scheduled. Depending on your plan and billing cycle, access may continue until the end of the current period or end immediately for certain trials. Keep an eye out for a confirmation notice and make note of the effective cancellation date shown on screen. Before wrapping up, a couple of quick tips. Ensure you're canceling the correct workspace if you have more than one, and consider saving any content you want to keep beforehand. If you're part of an organization, you may need the appropriate permissions to cancel. That's it. You've successfully navigated to the right place, confirmed your choice, and completed the cancellation in Jasper. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.